Welcome to our comprehensive review of Envato Elements. Today we'll explore why this stock subscription service has become a favorite among creative professionals. Let's dive in and discover what truly makes it exceptional. Envato Elements is a subscription-based platform offering a huge collection of creative assets such as stock videos, photos, templates, fonts, music, and more. Instead of buying individual items, you pay a flat monthly fee of $16.50 and get unlimited downloads of these assets. Everything on the platform is royalty-free, meaning you can use them for commercial or personal projects without any legal hassles. It's perfect for content creators, designers, and marketers who need a continuous flow of high-quality content. One of the standout features of Envato Elements is its vast library of over 2.4 million stock videos and 300,000 motion graphics. The platform is easy to navigate thanks to its intuitive search filters that let you browse by category, mood, resolution, and style. Whether you're working on a personal video project, a social media campaign, or a professional client brief, you'll find everything you need here. Templates for programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Keynote are available, saving time and simplifying your creative process. For those in video production, Envato Elements offers over 130,000 royalty-free music tracks and 120,000 sound effects. You'll find music for every mood and genre, perfect for making your videos more engaging and immersive. The best part, you can download as many tracks as you like and experiment until you find the perfect match for your project. Envato Elements isn't just about videos. It's a goldmine for graphic designers too. It has an impressive array of templates for projects like branding, social media posts, logos, and even motion graphics. One of the unique offerings is the 3D model library, which can help make your work stand out with high-quality 3D assets. The platform's search system is user-friendly, with filters to narrow down assets by color, style, or complexity. Not only does Envato Elements provide high-quality assets, but it also offers educational content. With tutorials, guides, and articles, you can improve your skills in areas like graphic design, video editing, and web development. The platform also has a vibrant user community where you can share ideas and learn from other creatives. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of using Envato Elements. On the plus side, the biggest advantage is the unlimited downloads. This can save you both time and money if you work on multiple projects. The variety and quality of the assets are impressive, and the royalty-free license gives you flexibility. However, for those seeking ultra-specialized or niche assets, Envato might not always have the depth you need, and premium items from the Envato marketplace like Theme Forest or Coded Canyon aren't included in the subscription. So is Envato Elements worth it? Absolutely. If you need a wide range of assets regularly, the $16.50 per month subscription is a great value. The variety, ease of use, and royalty-free licensing make it an invaluable resource for content creators, designers, and marketers. However, if your needs are more occasional or highly specialized, it may not be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Your support helps us create even more great videos just for you.